Printful says these are trending. So, is there a reason why you shouldn't be selling these in your print on demand stores? Keep watching to find out the 12 print on demand products that you should be selling on your stores right now. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be revealing the 12 hot and trending products that you should be selling on your print on demand stores right now. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using Printful, and if you don't have a Printful account, there's a link in the description. Just click on it and create an account. It's free. So if you get on the Printful dashboard, you're going to see some products that Printful says are trending. So is there any reason why you shouldn't be selling these products in your stores? I guess not. So the first products that Printful recommends that we sell in our stores is the denim hat. The second is the U jersey t-shirt. Actually, this one is new. The next is the face mask, of course. We all know the pandemic is still real, so people are still looking for face masks. The next is the speckle pom pom beanie and the snapback trucker cap is the next one, and the champion face mask. This one is actually 5 packs. So these are the products that Printful says is trending. We should definitely take advantage of this. Now moving into the 12 hot products that you should be selling in your stores is this right here. So whenever you see Printful putting up a product, you should definitely take a second look at it. It's because they are seeing sales or they're seeing demand for it, and they want print on demand sellers to put this in their stores to fulfill that demand. So on Printful's homepage, these are the products that have been put in the spotlight. Ask yourself, why didn't they choose any other product? Why did they choose these 12? They chose these 12 because Printful knows that these products are likely to make sales if sold. And you know, unlike other print on demand stores where you just post your designs and you upload your designs to the platforms, with Printful you can offer customization, and customization really goes well with the platform Etsy. So let's take for example these leggings. Let's go to Etsy and do some more research. So when you get to your Etsy homepage, just click on the search bar and you can see what is popular right now. It's an ear muff mask. There you go, a mask again, and Printful already highlighted this on the Printful dashboard. Premium masks as well as the champion face mask, because they know that it is selling. So we're just going to search for leggings, funny leggings. Funny leggings. I always like going with funny leggings or funny anything, because I know that if you cater to the emotions of customers, you're likely to have a sale. Something funny, someone might like it and wants to buy it. So that's why I always go with funny, the product name. So in this case, here are the products that we found. Like I told you, customization is the real deal, is what you should be going for. Now, as you can see, this one says customizing with your face. This one is your face. This one is the face of your pet. Actually, it's a dog. So as you can see, customization is what you won't get anywhere, and that is what customers are willing to pay more for. So if we click on this one right here, personalized leggings. So if we click on this and we scroll down, look at this, 11 people want this in their carts. So like I told you, personalization is the best way to go, and it's not difficult to customize this. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make a legging similar to this. So I've just used one product. So there are 12 products in total, and I've used one product. I chose the leggings. I went to Etsy. I did a search for funny leggings, and this popped up. You could also say personalized leggings. That's another search term that I usually go for. Or personalize the product name. So we have found a product that we want to personalize, or want to we found a product that we want to personalize, and now I'm going to show you how to customize this. So go to Printful. We're going to choose the leggings. However, print leggings is $25, so we're going to choose this one, and we're going to go with size small. Choose color. This color is the same thing, so we're going to start designing. So here we are. We're just going to choose a face. I'm going to go online and choose a random face, and I'm going to be back with the person's face. I decided to go with a dog instead of a person, so I don't want anyone coming on my channel. I'm like, why did you use my face? So I decided to go with a dog. So here's a dog that I chose. What we're gonna do is to scroll down. Do you see right this here? It says make a pattern. So click that make a pattern. And now they're asking what pattern type do you want? Do you want the square, the block, half drop, brick, reflect, horizontal line, or vertical line? I'm gonna go with the half drop. So once you click it, take a look at this. It just replicates it. Now you have the option of spacing it, increasing it, or reducing the space, whichever you want. So as you can see, if you're reducing the space, the design changes. If you increase the space, the design too changes. So as you can see, it's very easy to make a personalized leggings. Now these personalized leggings can be for a pet, it can be for a cat, it can be for your loved ones, your sister, your mom, your brother. That's how you scale it up. Once you're done with it, so proceed to the mockups. Now, which mockups do you want? Do you want the ones with the high heels, barefoot, sports lifestyle? Now, I will go with a close-up look. So if it's for women, you're going to go with the high heels. But if it's for women and men, as in this case, I would prefer you go with the barefoot. So that's the barefoot. When you're done with the mockup, click proceed to details. Now you're going to fill in everything and add your tags and click display product with free shipping. I'm clicking display with free shipping because customers always like free shipping, but we're going to take that shipping price and put it in our product price, so we're not losing out on anything. When you're done with that, click pricing. Now we always go with profit of at least $10. I'm doing $10 because you have to pay for shipping and you also have to pay for Etsy transaction fees. So this profit here is going to cover it, and when you're done with that, click submit to store. So in a few minutes, I'm going to show you this product in my store. So here's the product. It's a capri leggings. I'm going to edit it. Now for the name, I have to choose a name. I have to choose a name that is appealing. Now we're going to go with personalized pet leggings or dog leggings, because people have to know that they can personalize it. Personalize pet dog capri leggings. So we're going to go back to the initial listing that many people wanted, and we're going to take some keywords from their listings. So it says gifts for her birthday, funny personalized leggings, photo leggings, face pants, personalized for women. So we're going to copy that, take it back to your Etsy listing and paste, but we'll have to edit it. This can be gift for anyone that's not a woman, so we're going to take out gift for women. So there you go. That's our listing. Personalized spec dog gift for her birthday gift, funny personalized gift photo leggings. Face pants, personalized capri leggings. So there you go. That's our title. The next thing is our category. The category is already leggings. What else? Our description is already there. We'll have to create Printful as a production partner. Click the section you want it, then add the tags. So for Etsy, scroll to the bottom. There are always tags there at the bottom. This one has just few tags. So we're going to copy that leggings, face leggings. So tags are going to be leggings, face leggings, put a comma in between. Now go back to your title. Your title always has tags that are there. So we're going to copy this, take it back to our tags, and we're going to place a comma and paste it. Just space this out. Personalized pet dog, comma, gifts for her, comma, sister birthday gift, comma. If it's too long, press enter, and we have to continue editing. Funny personalized gift, photo leggings, face pants, personalized, then capri leggings. Click add. Funny personalized gift is too long, so click funny and personalized gift, add. So when we're done with the tags, scroll to the bottom. Our price has already been put. Those are variations. Now our price, it's right here at the bottom, 34. It has already, I've already put our profit, the profit that we want. The profit covers the shipping as well as Etsy prices. So when we're done, we just click publish. So guys, that's how I do it. I've just used leggings in this case. You can always do hats, you can do face masks, t-shirts, you can personalize it, you can do personalized hoodies, sweatshirts, sport bras, sweatpants, joggers, phone cases, all over prints, backpacks, jackets, and throw pillows. Start with these 12, start personalizing these 12, and if you need more products to personalize, jump to these ones right here at Printful's homepage. These are the ones that Printful says are trending. Actually start personalizing these ones that Printful says are trending, then move over to these 12 ones here at their homepage. So when you are done with it, definitely look at the prices of your product, of your competitors. So our competitor is pricing $41 with free shipping. Yep, free shipping. $41 free shipping. That means I've already put in the price of the shipping into their product. But look at our pricing. Our pricing is $34. It's definitely cheaper than this one. So you need to always price your products cheaper than your competitors. It's giving the customer a reason to purchase from you because your prices are cheaper. So start with these products that our Printful says are trending and continue with these products here on their dashboard. Definitely give a lower price and give free shipping. And there's also one thing you need to know. Make a sale. If you want to know how to set up a sale, definitely let me know in the comment section below. By sale, I mean this. You see this 40% off, and they're definitely offering a sale. So that's why many people want this. Not only does it look beautiful, but they are also offering a sale. So if you want to learn, if you want to know how to make a sale in your Etsy shop, definitely let me know in the comment section below. So looking at this page, how many people are making sales? Just few. This is one person here. Scroll down, another person here, another person here. Scroll down. So you see, not many people are giving sales. That's why people are purchasing from only a particular few because they are the ones offering sales. So if you are offering a sale, if you are offering free shipping, if you are offering personalized products, that is definitely a recipe to success. So guys, if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.